Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Mandy Rachel, and in this video I want to show you an unboxing of my Oppo Reno 7 device. So guys, I know this video is not the kind of video I am used to on this channel because I am not a YouTube tech creator, neither am I a mobile phone reviewer. But hey, I got this device for myself as a birthday gift with my affiliate commissions, and I was just really excited about the device, and I wanted to show you my honest, sincere, unbiased review of the phone. Is it even a review? Anyways guys, it's a very great day. Unboxing was initially for my WhatsApp, but by the time I was done, I was like, why can't I just post this video to my YouTube channel so that my YouTube subscribers will also get to catch a glimpse of this amazing device? So you manage the video as you have seen it. You manage the video as you're seeing it because, like I said earlier, I am not a YouTube tech creator. So this is just an excited, I don't even know the word to use. But right now we're going to be diving right into the unboxing. Do not forget to hit the like button if you love and enjoy this video. Do not forget to drop your comments under this video. Would you want me to, create more videos like this one? Let me know in the comment. And what do you think about the device? Watch it till the end, then let me know in the comment section as well. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. Do not forget really to subscribe to my channel. Really, subscribe. And don't forget to tap on the bell icon to turn on notifications so that when I drop new videos, you would be in the know. Like, you would literally be the first to know. If you hit the subscribe button right now and tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on notifications. Okay, let's get right into it. Time to open my phone. Okay, so I just retrieved my SIM yesterday. I've been so stressed. God of Israel, I've been so stressed though. As you know, I'm getting myself. So I want to open the phone. So this is the phone. So this is 8 gig RAM, 256 gig memory. So let me just see what's up. Let me open it. This thing is hard to remove. Try. Yeah. Okay. Finally. So this is it. This is the phone, This is the phone. Like, so I've opened it. This is the phone. Okay. This is the carton that contains the accessories. How do they open this one? Okay, this is the carton. This is what's here. Receipt. Pouch. This is the phone. Okay, so this is the charger because you had to test it where I bought the phone. So this is a 33 watts. So this is the phone. So guys, here we go. So I got the sunset orange. Let me switch it on. So this is the phone. Oppo. Have you had any color? So basically everything that comes with this phone is this phone, the charger, the cord, and the pouch. That's all. That is all. The very first phone I bought came with an extra case. That was the Genie M2. Came with the full complete accessories, extra case, two pouch, extra case, screen guard, earpiece, the charger and everything. But now we don't even get screen guard anymore. This is all we get: phone and charger. It is well. So this is the phone. Yep. Yup. So I need to set this up. 117. I lie you. Na money we did. So I need to set this up. There's no SIM in it yet. So I just retrieved my SIM yesterday. I'm going to be putting the SIM in it today, and then I'll start using it today, I guess. So this is the phone. For those of you that said, must do unboxing, or I have done it. How much will you pay me for this unboxing? Bye. Free advertisement. Anyways, guys, this is it. So I got the orange. It's a very nice device. The specs is really, really nice. That's why I got the phone. To really help my business a whole lot. It will help my business a whole lot. And I got this phone with the money I made from affiliate marketing on Expertnia. Yes, affiliate marketing on Expertnia made this phone possible, because if not, where I won't feel see money buy phone now. As my phone was stolen that day, I for just the cry. It pained me. Let me not even start to act like a saint. But you know what I'm saying? Affiliate marketing on Expertnia made this possible. I was able to raise the money to get this phone, and I just got it. So I got it on pre-order, so I was able to get it at a good price. 220k well spent. Yeah, I'm so excited for the phone, really. Wow, this is the most expensive phone I've ever bought in my life. I'm not kidding, guys. A phone of 220,000 naira. This is the most expensive phone I've ever bought in my life. And I'm also getting this for myself as a birthday gift. I wanted to buy myself a birthday gift, so good choice, I guess. Do you like my phone? Let me put it in the pouch. Do you guys like my phone? So here's the phone in the pouch. Here we go. All right, thank you so much for watching. So that's it, guys. What do you think about my new Oppo Reno 7 device? Do you think it's cool? Do you like it? Would you like me to create more videos like this one? Will I even want to do that? Anyways, did you enjoy the video? Please let me know in the comments. If you have not liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. If you're here to subscribe, seriously, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon to turn on notifications, so that when I drop the videos, you are the first to know. And feel free to share this video as well. Yeah, feel free to share this video. Oh my goodness, guys, this phone is so nice. Anyways, guys, if you would love to also learn about affiliate marketing and how you can make money with your phone to get, a nice device like this one for yourself, all you have to do, seriously, is just go watch the free training on affiliate marketing that I created on my channel. The video is there. It's absolutely free to watch. Just go and watch it and learn. Yeah, don't sleep on it. Go and watch it right now. I'll probably be linking it right under this video. Yes, so just find the link anywhere to watch that video and learn like. And the camera is so mad, guys. I wish I can show you guys. See, wow, guys, see, oh my god, it's like, it is so nice. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the picture. Man, the video is so clear. Wow. Guys, if you would love to get that training, don't sleep on it. Go and watch it right now.